1.86 billion USTC proposal is up to burn the USTC held by Luna Foundation Guard. Could this burn start pumping USTC? Hi guys, it's Rocko here. Welcome back to our weekly Luna Classic video, where I share with you everything that's happened in the Luna Classic ecosystem, including updates from L2's meme and everything that you need to know. At the end of the video, guys, I share with you my technical analysis and, more importantly, how I'm trading, where I'm buying and selling Luna Classic, and share with you my price prediction. I also do a spaces, guys, where I bring on people from different parts of the community to discuss USTC repeg, different projects. In this weekly video, I try to shorten it in 10 minutes. If you want the more detailed, the longer content, the podcast, go listen to these spaces. If you enjoy the content, guys, do hit that like button, a comment with just a thumbs up, hello Rocko, bullish LUNC to $1. It really helps the channel out. So if you can leave a comment, and if you want to support the channel more, go buy some Juris. I'm part of the project. Also TerraCasino, they support the channel, so go. If you're betting on football or soccer or whatever, or playing poker, why not use our natives own casino? Go check out the casino, and if you really want to support me, go buy some Juris and pump my bags. Without further ado, guys, let's get started. So I want to talk about the burn first. So this is a good proposal. It's been worked on by Frag and Hates of Crypto, so shout out to them. I recommend you go read this on Commonwealth yourself. But this 1.86 billion USTC is still held in the Luna Foundation Guard reserves. Could we burn it? In my opinion, guys, I want this burned. It will help generate hype, which could have an impact on the price. So I want this burned. There are some discussions that it could have legal implications. I'm not a legal expert, so I'm not going to get into that. I recommend you go read this yourself and make up your mind. Some people are saying we could potentially freeze it, and then if there's legal implications after, we could unfreeze it through governance. But in my opinion, guys, you know, TFL have now exited. I think we can burn the assets. Again, like I said, the legal implications I'm not too sure about, but I support this proposal, and if you read this yourself, you can make up your mind. My thoughts after reading this, we could burn the assets. So from my understanding, about 50% work have already been done. Now we need Orbit Labs to finish up the tasks, and you know, Frag has already implemented the necessary changes in the code base, so we can burn it. So if this proposal passes, Orbit Labs could be upgrading the chain and burning 1.86 billion USTC. So $1 million question is, will this burn start pumping the price? In my opinion, it will generate hype and a bit of narrative, but it's not going to pump the price because you're not buying back and burning. If you guys know CatWifHat, again, that's one of the coins I've been shilling quite a lot. It is actually pumping. TerraCasino actually burns, buys backs and burns. So even with all the selling that we've seen, you know, the earlier whales after the 10x, they're sort of exiting, because imagine if you put in a couple of £100, I mean, that's gone up quite a lot. So it's been quite a bit of sell pressure, but the casino is still buying back and burning. If this was a buyback and burn, it would have pumped like crazy, like everyone would be talking about it. But this is a burning of dormant asset. Also, although it is bullish, and you know, people that don't understand, all the people that don't subscribe and listen to this trading content, they don't understand buying back or burning dormant supply. They'll get bullish, and you know, people will talk about it on Twitter. And also, guys, in the future, if there's a risk of this supply coming into the market and dumping the price, so there's also, again, it's definitely bullish, but it's not as bullish as buying back and burning. So I don't think it's gonna have too much impact on the price. In terms of repeg, guys, I will message Leonardo again. He was one of the key people that were talking about the ceramic repeg plan. There's also another repeg proposal up, not a repeg proposal, a repeg idea, which talks about repegging USTC without turning on the market module. So I'll need to see more information come out with that. So in hopefully next week's weekly content that I share with you, or if you want to join the spaces on Twitter or watch the podcast on YouTube, you can find out more about the USTC repeg. So that's been the main key news, guys. I want to see these assets burn. There's also a question on what do we do with the Bitcoin, because there's 30 million worth of Bitcoin. There's also AVAX and all these other assets. I mean, I'm sure there was AVAX. I don't know where the AVAX is gone. I'm sure there were some AVAX and BNB. But what do we do with this? Do we use that to buy? Do we put it in the community and Oracle pools? Do we buy back Luna Classic? Do we help it with the USTC repeg? Let me know in the comment section below what you think we should do. But for the USTC, guys, we should definitely definitely burn it. Apart from that, there's been not too much discussions. There's been a signaling prop, there's been some wallet discussions, but there's been not too much to talk about on the Luna Classic base chain. In terms of the Juris protocol, that's the protocol I'm part of. So with LO69, the founder, Frags, the technical founder, I'm like the marketing co-founder. And there's going to be lots of alpha updates to be shared with you guys. I'd say again, LL is very cautious, doesn't want to share too much, and I have to, you know, be careful what I share. But I'd say a percentage of the work, the development work that Frag's doing is complete. It's less than 50%, so I'm not saying it's like almost done. For testnet, at least a percentage of the work has been done. For the UI, he's already said he's meeting, and hopefully we can start sharing with you some of the beautiful UI. If you guys remember, Anchor Protocol was amazing interface, one of the best interfaces in crypto. That's why it got mainstream adoption on top of the 20% USD APY, which we're not going to have. But you know, the interface was amazing, and I think Juris will sort of follow on from that. We're going to have an amazing interface, and LO69 is working with David and lots of other people. Hopefully we'll be able to share with you lots more updates this Sunday Spaces or next week. So that's one of the updates I wanted to share with you. There's also the airdrop. I know I get lots of messages on the airdrop, guys. I don't want to commit to a time, but the coins are vesting. Hopefully you will be getting them. I don't want to say end of the month, but in couple of weeks time, few weeks time, rather than months. That's all I can say. So hopefully in a couple of weeks time you get the airdrops as well. If you've been following this channel, you did all like the staking, or you supported Juris, hopefully you'll be seeing some Juris on your wallet. In terms of a price, let's talk about Juris price. That's Juris and Terra. We need Juris and LUNC. There we go. So Juris, guys, it's just chopping at the moment, and I think this is a good level to buy. If you've been following the channel, I said buy, support, sell, resistance. This is not a bad buy level, and if you're trading, that would be your take profit level. In terms of predictions, so trading is very simple. These two levels, just trade it, buy here, take profit there. In terms of longer term, guys, I mean, I would be accumulating these levels, guys. I think for what we're building and the community that we have and potential bull market, guys, this could do really well at, you know, this small market cap. So again, I'm really bullish on this project. So, you know, just get a bag, hold, and keep buying the dip. I'd say if you're trading, those are the two key levels I'd be looking to trade. I've shared my price prediction on Juris before. When we have the testnet date launch, I think that's when you're going to see the buy the rumor, sell the news event. Price will go up quite a bit, and then we'll see what happens. If we can keep growing the TVL, we attract lots of investors, raise more capital, we could go to, you know, a lot higher market cap. I mean, 100 mil would be amazing, but who knows how high we can go in a bull market. So that's like my technical analysis on Juris and a quick update on Juris. A couple of other projects I want to talk about as well, and I recommend you go watch this spaces where I go into a lot more detail. I speak to the people. There's a Selenium project, so there's a project similar to Mirror Protocol that's launching, so you go listen to the spaces. I also tweeted about like the pre-sale stuff if you're interested. So they'll be launching a synthetics platform on Luna Classic. The pre-sale is going on now. There's also, guys, the Cookie project. So Cookie project has gone absolutely parabolic. I actually tweeted and thanked them. I don't own any Cookie, and I'm fully transparent. So projects that I'm part of, you know, I benefit myself from Juris, TerraCasino. I'm fully transparent. Cookie, I didn't own any, or I didn't hold any, but I love seeing projects on Luna Classic succeed. So I gave them a shout out. The coin has pumped a lot. I can't find the tweet now, but the coin went absolutely parabolic, almost to 10 million from almost nothing. That is literally big crazy pump that we saw on Cookie. The main reason was they're doing burning, they're building LUNC metaverse, and Cookie is going to be the main coin. They're planning side chains again. I interviewed Nicholas from the team, and he explained what they're building. All that just created a massive pump. I expect it to start slowing down here, so maybe we start bottoming around 2 million market cap, and if they can deliver what they're actually building, hopefully we see other projects on Luna Classic pump. We just need one project to absolutely go crazy. Hopefully it's my project Juris that goes crazy. I'll be benefited financially, and it's also like a vengeance. You know, in crypto we can make money through memes on other projects, and if you guys follow me, I've been shooting lots of AI projects that I'm trying to pump, trade, make money from, building, supporting, marketing, marketing and all that good stuff, but I'd feel nothing better than, you know, if I can make Luna Classic, Juris succeed, making money with my friends, with the community, with you guys, there'll be no better feeling. So fingers crossed we can pump. But one of the things, like I said, is just need one project, Juris, Selenium, Elban, Garuda. If one of these projects pump Terraport, one of those projects go crazy, one NFT, one meme coin, that's all we need. I mean, USTC would be amazing. If you want to be in like the top 20-30 coins again, we need, I think, a USTC repeg plan. But even with one project, we can pump Luna Classic 10x, and we can drag Luna Classic through the success of L2 like we've seen on Solana. Finally guys, Terraport is doing well as well. So if I look at the chart of Terraport, you can trade it on, not on just Luna Classic, you can trade it on Mexi. This is hopefully putting in a bottom, guys. I tried to bet here, guys, and it did like a 50-60% pump. The market cap is so low for a leading DEX on Luna Classic. If Luna Classic does well, if Juris and other projects do well, I'd expect Terraport to do well. So hopefully finally we start putting a bottom, and yeah, maybe you can start looking to get a trade on here as well. So that's quickly on Terraport. I'll probably finish off with my my biggest meme bag on Luna Classic, CatWifHat. CatWifHat is pumping, guys, and it's trying to break out again. Like I said, the early sellers are being selling, and TerraCasino is just buying back and burning, and probably me, Rexy, trying to push it as well. Hopefully this is a real breakout, guys, and you don't want to miss it. We've seen breakouts what can do. I shared an example of Cookie. Breakouts can just go absolutely parabolic, guys. We can see after this breakout what happened. Even after this breakout, we did like a 200% pump. If we break out again, a lot of the early sellers are out. We keep burning through casino. Could we head to, I mean, 1 million market cap would be amazing, but yeah, could we head to 500,000, 250k market cap? CatWifHat could potentially do that, guys. So that's a meme coin that you could look to buy as well. So that's the quick video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I tried to keep it to 10 minutes, try to give you guys all the updates from the Luna Classic ecosystem. If you have any questions, guys, do comment below. If you enjoy the content, guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to watch the podcast, the longer format videos, podcast that I do, go watch that Spaces. Now, thank you very much and have a great weekend, guys.